Want clearer vision and a sharper mind? No matter your age, these 3 seeds can transform your eyesight and boost brain power in just days. Whether you're 20 or 90, these natural superfoods work wonders. Keep watching to find out how they'll improve your health. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing tips. Taking care of your eyes and brain is crucial at any age, and the good news is that there are natural, simple ways to support both. As we grow older, it's easy to experience changes in our eyesight and brain function. However, you don't have to wait until you're in your 90s to take action. The benefits of eye and brain health start with the food you eat, and one of the most effective ways to support both is by incorporating powerful seeds into your daily routine. These seeds are packed with essential nutrients that help maintain sharp vision, prevent eye-related issues, and improve cognitive function. Whether you're 2050 or even over 90, these seeds offer natural support for your body's most important systems. In this video, we're going to focus on 3 powerful seeds that can help you boost your eye and brain health. These seeds are easy to include in your diet and provide a simple yet effective way to take care of your vision and brain power for years to come. Seed number 3. Chia the Omega. 3-time release, chia seeds may be small, but they're packed with essential nutrients that support both eye and brain health. One of the key nutrients in chia seeds is omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for maintaining a healthy brain and preventing age-related vision loss. Omega-3s play a crucial role in the health of the retina, the part of the eye responsible for sending visual signals to the brain. These fatty acids help protect the retina from oxidative stress, which is a major factor in age-related eye conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. But chia seeds don't only support eye health, they also benefit brain function. Omega-3s are known to improve cognitive abilities, including memory, focus, and mental clarity. As we age, maintaining brain health becomes more important than ever. Chia seeds provide a steady supply of omega-3s, which are essential for the structure and function of brain cells, helping the brain communicate effectively. For anyone looking to boost their brain power, chia seeds are a simple, natural way to enhance memory and cognitive function. Chia seeds are unique because they release omega-3s in a time-release fashion, meaning that the nutrients are gradually absorbed into the body over time. This steady release provides long-lasting benefits, helping your eyes and brain stay sharp and energized throughout the day. Whether you're over 90 or simply looking to support your mental and visual health, chia seeds are an excellent choice. You can easily incorporate chia seeds into your daily diet, add them to smoothies, sprinkle them over salads, or mix them into your morning oatmeal or yogurt. They have a mild flavor and can be blended into a variety of meals without altering the taste. A tablespoon of chia seeds each day is enough to experience the benefits of omega-3s for your eyes and brain. Seed number 2. Flax the Lignin Anti-Inflammation Boost. Flax seeds are a powerful nutrient-packed addition to your diet, especially when it comes to supporting eye health and brain function. These small seeds are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, which plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. But what makes flax seeds stand out is their high concentration of lignans, a type of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that offers significant benefits for the eyes and brain. Let's start with how flax seeds help by health. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for maintaining the health of the retina, which is responsible for sending visual information from the eye to the brain. Omega-3s protect the retina from oxidative stress, which can cause damage over time and lead to vision problems, especially conditions like macular degeneration. Macular degeneration is a leading cause of blindness in older adults, but studies show that omega-3 fatty acids, like those found in flax seeds, can help slow the progression of this condition. In addition to omega-3s, the lignans and flax seeds help reduce inflammation in the eyes. Chronic inflammation is a major factor in many age-related eye conditions such as dry eyes, cataracts, and glaucoma. By consuming flax seeds regularly, you're helping your body combat this inflammation, which ultimately protects the delicate structures of the eyes and reduces the risk of these conditions. The antioxidant properties of lignans also help neutralize free radicals, which can cause damage to the cells in the eyes and lead to a decline in vision over time. Now let's talk about the brain. Just like the eyes, the brain also suffers from the effects of inflammation. Chronic brain. Brain inflammation is linked to cognitive decline, memory loss, and conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Flax seeds, with their anti-inflammatory properties, can help protect the brain from this type of damage. Omega-3 support the brain structure and function by improving communication between brain cells, which is essential for memory learning and focus. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet is a simple and effective way to support cognitive health. The omega-3s found in flax seeds help to nourish brain cells and improve blood flow to the brain, which enhances brain function. Additionally, flax seeds have been shown to help reduce brain fog and improve concentration, making them a great option for anyone looking to improve mental clarity and focus. Whether you're over 90 or simply want to maintain a sharp mind, flax seeds provide natural, sustained support for brain health. Flax seeds also provide other essential nutrients, such as fiber and protein, which help promote overall well-being. The fiber in flax seeds aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is especially important for maintaining brain health. Protein is essential for repairing and building tissues, and in the case of the brain, it helps create neurotransmitters that support communication between brain cells. For the best results, it's recommended to consume ground flax seeds, as the body can absorb the nutrients more efficiently when they are ground. You can easily add flax seeds to your daily routine by mixing them into smoothies, sprinkling them over salads or oatmeal, or baking them into muffins or bread. A tablespoon of ground flax seeds per day is sufficient to provide the necessary omega-3s and lignans that support both eye and brain health. Seed number 1. Pumpkin seeds, the mineral catalyst. Pumpkin seeds are a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential minerals and antioxidants that provide significant benefits for both eye health and brain function. These small seeds are often overlooked, but they are one of the best sources of magnesium, zinc, iron, and vitamin E, all of which play vital roles in maintaining eye and brain health, especially as we age. Let's take a closer look at how pumpkin seeds support these two critical aspects of your health. Magnesium supporting healthy eye function. One of the standout minerals in pumpkin seeds is magnesium. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, and it plays a crucial role in eye health for the eyes. Magnesium helps improve blood circulation, ensuring that the delicate structures of the eye, particularly the retina, get the nutrients and oxygen they need to function properly. Magnesium is also known to relax muscles, including those around the eyes, which helps reduce eye strain and prevent issues like fatigue and dryness as we age. These issues become more common, but by including magnesium-rich pumpkin seeds in your diet, you can protect your eyes from unnecessary stress and maintain their health. Magnesium also contributes to overall nervous system health. It plays a critical role in the transmission of nerve signals, which are essential for vision and brain function. Since the brain and eyes are both dependent on healthy nerve activity, magnesium is vital for maintaining sharp, clear vision and a strong cognitive function for people over 90. Magnesium is especially important as it can help prevent age-related decline in both the eyes and brain. Zinc protecting the retina and brain health. Another crucial mineral found in pumpkin seeds is zinc, which is vital for the health of the retina. Zinc helps with the formation of melanin, a pigment in the eyes that helps protect against UV damage. As we age, our eyes become more susceptible to sunlight and light-induced damage. Zinc helps mitigate this by supporting the retina and maintaining the eye's ability to filter light properly. Zinc is also involved in night vision, helping your eyes adapt to low light and allowing you to see clearly in the dark. Beyond eye health, zinc is essential for brain function. It has been shown to help with memory and learning and plays a role in maintaining the structural integrity of brain cells. Zinc is involved in the communication between neurons, ensuring that information is transmitted effectively in the brain. As we age, maintaining cognitive function becomes increasingly important, and zinc plays a critical role in supporting long-term brain health. A deficiency in zinc can lead to cognitive decline, making it even more important for seniors to incorporate this mineral into their diets. Iron oxygenating the brain and eyes. Iron is another key mineral found in pumpkin seeds, and it plays a crucial role in ensuring that both the brain and eyes receive adequate oxygen. Iron is an essential component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body. Without enough iron, the brain and eyes can become oxygen. Oxygen deprived, leading to fatigue, memory issues, difficulty focusing, and even vision problems. Iron is particularly important for maintaining brain function, as a lack of oxygen can impair cognitive performance. Iron helps improve mental clarity and focus, preventing brain fog and supporting memory for the eyes. Iron helps keep the retina healthy by improving blood flow and ensuring that the tissues in the eye receive enough oxygen to function properly. Since iron deficiency can cause vision problems like dry eyes and blurred vision, consuming iron-rich pumpkin seeds can help prevent these issues and promote clear, healthy eyesight. Vitamin E, protecting against oxidative damage. In addition to magnesium, zinc, and iron, pumpkin seeds are also a rich source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, and it can lead to cellular damage. This damage is a key factor in the development of age-related eye conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration, as well as brain diseases such as Alzheimer's. Vitamin E helps neutralize free radicals, protecting the cells in both the eyes and brain from this type of damage by reducing oxidative stress. Vitamin E supports long-term eye health, keeping your vision sharp and reducing the risk of vision loss. For the brain, vitamin E has been shown to help protect neurons from damage and improve memory function, making it an important nutrient for maintaining cognitive health. As we age, as we wrap up this discussion, it's clear that adding chia seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds to your daily diet is a simple, natural, and effective way to improve both your eyesight and brain function. These seeds are nutrient-packed powerhouses, offering a variety of health benefits that support clear vision, cognitive sharpness, and overall well-being. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in maintaining the health of your retina. The omega-3s in chia seeds help protect your eyes from oxidative stress, which can lead to conditions like macular degeneration. For the brain, these omega-3s enhance memory, focus, and mental clarity by supporting brain cell function and reducing inflammation. The beauty of chia seeds is that they provide time-release nutrients, meaning they slowly release their beneficial omega-3s throughout the day, keeping both your brain and eyes nourished over time. Next, flax seeds bring their own unique set of benefits. Like chia, flax seeds are rich in omega-3s, but they also contain lignans, which are powerful compounds known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can damage both the eyes and the brain, so flax seeds are particularly useful in reducing this risk by reducing inflammation in the retina. Flax seeds help protect against cataracts, dry eyes, and macular degeneration. For the brain, flax seeds support cognitive health, improving memory and mental sharpness by reducing brain inflammation, which has been linked to conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Pumpkin seeds are another nutritional gem. These seeds are full of essential minerals like magnesium, zinc, and iron, which are key to supporting healthy eyes and a sharp mind. Magnesium helps relax the muscles around the eyes, reducing eye strain and improving blood flow to the eye tissues. Zinc is essential for the retina's health and also helps with night vision for the brain. Iron ensures that oxygen is delivered effectively, improving focus and cognitive performance. Together, these minerals work to prevent eye-related issues like macular degeneration and brain problems like memory loss and brain fog. Remember, it's not just about preventing issues. These seeds actively support healthy brain function, clear vision, and overall well-being. So why not start today? Add a tablespoon of each seed to your meals and enjoy the benefits of better eyesight and brain power. Your body will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Stay sharp, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.